Shenzhen WeDoinnov Co Limited was founded in 2013 at Shenzhen, China. Our mission is to enrich communication between individual and enterprises by innovative video conferencing solutions. For traditional video conference solutions, they are usually scattered equipments with complex cable arrangements that require professional operation and regular maintenance. Most importantly, they are costly. So our goal is to work out an innovative solution that is simple to operate and affordable to us all. Yes, we made it. This innovative solution consists of all-in-one video conference device and cloud-based video conferencing software. It is easy to go and affordable for enterprises. We started with the first all-in-one device in this industry. For years, we've been studying to achieve stable performance and better user experience. So far, we have created a series of all-in-one video conferencing endpoints. Cameras, speakerphones that are suitable from huddle space to large meeting rooms. As an original developer and manufacturer, we are also experienced in OEM and ODM projects. We can offer different levels of support on video, audio, hardware and software development, and professional support on electronic, acoustics, optics, ID, and mechanical design, as well as professional quantitative measures for research, inspection, and quality control. So far, we have cooperated with most of the software companies and distributors in this industry. We will always be your right choice of partner.